Alright guys, welcome back to a new video on this channel. Today I'm already in a trade again, and as you can see I catched this long here, and today I think we can just wait until my TP hits, and then I'm going to explain the trade. I was able to catch a long here, and I think I perfectly catched the reversal down here. We had the New York Open here at 9:30, and you can see we had a really strong down move. I also shorted the top here on a second account. I think, where was it? This one here. So I made $1,500 on this account shorting this top here. And now I'm also targeting again $1,500. The reason for this is on Topstep you are only allowed to make $1,500 in a combine. Both of these accounts are combines, so that's not a funded account. Full transparency here. But yeah, I think today was a really nice day, so let's get back. Why was it a great day? I perfectly shorted the top here and then I longed the bottom here. I don't do this every day. Don't want to flex too much with this. I think I'm going to explain the long here. If you want a video on this short here, just let me know. I think we're really close now to hit my TP. And when this TP hits here, this account is finally funded. At the moment I don't own any funded accounts with Topstep. I had 2 funded accounts. I achieved 1 payout on each account, so 2 accounts together. But yeah, I wasn't able to hold these accounts. I believe both of them. I started getting unconcentrated and I was over trading because I don't have uni at the moment and I had too much time. But now I'm back at uni, so maybe my trading gets better now. Sounds a bit weird, but the less time I spend on the charts, the more money I make. And yeah, so maybe a busy lifestyle is better for me. And yeah, I think now my TP gets hit. And also I'm moving my stop loss to break even. Makes no sense to don't do this when price is already up here. We don't want to risk any money. And yeah, I think I'm just, and now you can see we reached the profit target. Just going to lock this account here. And yeah, now let's get back to trading view. I think that's a bit easier here to explain this. So what was my reason for having this entry here? So at first we swapped these lows here, and also we did not hit discount here, so this could have been one reason. I mean, if we do discount here, and this makes more logic for me, we can say okay, price was also in discount here on the higher time frame. I think I can just go on the 1 hour chart so you can see this a bit more clear. Price hit discount here, swapped these 2 lows. So this was essential for me. But also I think I just want to go real quick on the daily chart. So you can see, I mean, we swapped these highs here, but we have a bullish uptrend, and also we have a daily fair value gap. We have strong buying pressure. We had this bullish day here on Friday. So for me, there was no reason to target huge short swings. I mean, I had 1 short, but I closed the short really fast. And yeah, but let's get back on the 5-minute chart. I think I'm leaving the daily fair value gap here in blue. Just want to draw out this again. So we had daily fair value gap, discount. This was the reason, okay, I want to look for longs. And then now we come to my short-term analysis. When I see so in general we can say I was looking for longs, but now, I mean, you don't want to long everywhere. What I was doing when I saw, okay, we get this down move, I started drawing out standard deviation. And what I do with this, I mean, it was clear for me, okay, I want to short inside this daily fair value gap, but we want to find the right spot. And the first thing I wanted to see is getting these old lows swept, and that's what we had. Secondly, I just started to draw the standard deviation here, and I think when we know my channel, you know I'm targeting 2 different zones here. So the first zone is a -4 level, but this time we did not hit -4. This is the first zone, or the last zone you want to look for reversals, but the second zone is the zone between the -2 and the -2.5 zone. So this is the zone here. Just going to mark this out in gray. So you want to watch for signs of a reversal either here or at the -4 level here. I mean, it's totally fine if price dips a bit below or above. You just want to see it around here in this, this zone here. And you can see it worked perfectly. So the price started to bounce here. And the only thing I did was, and that's what I always do, just looking for the first inversion fair value gap to create. So we had here a bearish fair value gap, marking this out in blue but a bit stronger. And you can see price started to just ignore it. And I have to admit, and that's one mistake I still do, normally I really want to see a close above the inversion fair value gap and then a retest. You can see here we had no retest, so normally if I would stay loyal to my factors, I would never take this trade, or I would not been able to take this trade. But yeah, I have to admit I switched to the 30-second chart and I was just waiting for the first 30-second candle to close above this gap. This can go wrong, so I would not recommend to do this. Today it worked because I felt really confident. And yeah, that's it. And also in addition to this, I'm using PO3. So I'm trying to participate inside a wick. So you can see this is the hourly candle here. And what we can see is this hourly candle swept both of these previous hourly highs. And yeah, that's what we want to do. Like, we want to long inside a zone where we are bullish. But the candle at the moment when I longed here was totally bearish looking. Like, we had this manipulation up here and then we had a strong swing down. So most people started shorting this here, and when I started to long this point here, I was literally trading against order flow. But that's how it works. And when we see this, you can see you can catch really nice trades. So for example here, I mean I went out somewhere here because I am only allowed to make $1.5 thousand, but of course I would target this higher. You can see we almost made 4R. So yeah, really nice trade. And also I love to be in alignment with the daily open. So we had a manipulation below the daily open. This here is now part of the daily wick, and I'm not sure if we go down more. So for example, if you were too slow to catch this long here, maybe potentially this could be also short. I'm not taking this one here because my buyers are bullish for today. But now we can say, okay, we have daily open here, acts also as resistance. We still have, okay, we have 3 minutes left to close the hourly candle. So this trade makes no sense because you have to assume, okay, this hourly candle is closing in the next 2 or 3 minutes. And this candle, of course, it looks really bullish and you only have 3 minutes left. So this candle will not sell down, I think. So, and then we have the 10 a.m. open, and I'm pretty sure the 10 a.m. open will also just print higher. Or maybe you can wait for manipulation at the 10 a.m. open, but you don't want to short here because the chance is really, really low that this will sell down. And yeah, that's it. Like I said, if you want the short trade as well, just let me know. And I think because this trade was also special to me because it was a short before the open. So normally I'm not taking trades before the open, but this time I was really confident. And if you want to know the reason, just let me know. And yeah, see you next time.